more than just a competition. This is a real showdown between technology and pure will. In a world made of code and silicon, there is no such thing as luck. Countless sleepless nights, thousands of lines of code rewritten over and over. From hammering hardware together to pounding out the code, we use pure logic to spark raw creativity. Countless failures, setbacks, and doubts. But surrender is never an option. Error, adjust, restart. See the AI smash through and smart control make miracles happen. Every single sprint on the track is a shout out to the future.
We are here to witness the birth of a new era of technology. Everybody, are you ready for the challenge?
Құрметті Қазақстан командасы, осы келе жатқан ойындарын сәтті өтсін. Сәттілік.
You'll have a lot of fun doing it. You'll meet a lot of friends. Just go for it.
Mabuhay ang Pilipinas! Go for gold, Pilipinas!
Taiwan, Chile!
2026 MARC Open Championship in Taiwan. This time, we redefine the limits.